Hello, very good morning बच्चों. Today we will discuss about the species. Okay, what is species? Species means true fish. Means true fish. Okay. Outline structure of outline classification species का we can see. Outline classification of species. Craniata. Okay. One is Craniata. Then subphylum. Which type of subphylum present? Subphylum is Vertebrata. And Vertebrata is divided into two divisions. One is Agnatha. Another is Gnathostomata. Okay, and Gnathostomata superclass. Two superclass. One is species. Okay, or is two class. Osteichthyes and Chondrichthyes. And Osteichthyes. Okay, Osteichthyes. बाकी tetrapoda that will read your study later. Tetrapoda. Now we will discuss about the species or Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Clear? Now next. What are the main features of species? Species is a true fish. Why it is called true fish? Because it comes into the Gnathostomata. That's main features is jaws present. So one of the most important features, jaws present. So it is called species. Okay, true fish. Jaws present. So it is called true fish. Clear? Next, the golden age of species is. Golden age of species is Devonian period. Devonian period. It is the most important features. Golden age. Now, next, cold-blooded. Cold-blooded और अभी आपको बताया था ना, cold-blooded और poikilothermic. चलो, poikilothermic और ectothermal. Means the body temperature change according to environment. That's called cold-blooded or poikilothermic or ectothermal. We are endothermal or warm-blooded or homeothermic. Clear? Next. Skeleton. Skeleton is made up of cartilaginous or bony. Or bony. Clear? Next. Two-chamber heart present. That is called venous heart. That is called venous heart. Two-chambered heart. Which one? Two-chamber. One auricle, one ventricle. One auricle and one ventricle. And one auricle, one ventricle. Okay, it is called venous herd, because pure and impure bloods mix, so it is called venous herd. Next, 6, 3 semicircular canal present in internal ear, only internal ear present, and in which 3 semicircular canal present. Okay. Next, 2 nostril present, but in cyclostomata 1 nostril present, that is called monorhinus and it is called dirhinus. Okay. Next, 10 pair cranial nerve present. Okay, these are the main features of Pisces and it is also called true fish. Okay, next we will discuss about the class of Pisces, that is the chondrichthyes and osteichthyes. In chondrichthyes, the skeleton is made up of cartilage, and in osteichthyes, the skeleton is made up of bones. Oste means bones. Okay, study of bones is called osteology. So oste means skeleton is made up of bones, and chondrichthyes means skeleton is made up of cartilage. So we discuss about the cartilaginous fish and bony fishes. Clear? We can see with the help of diagram. So it is a cartilaginous fish and the skeleton is made up of cartilage, or it comes in the class chondrichthyes, and the mouth situated or present on the ventral surface. Mouth present on the ventral surface. Features: one is skeleton is made up of cartilage. तो skeleton किससे बना है? Skeleton made up of cartilage. शॉर्ट में लिख रही हूँ मैं क्योंकि पूरा बाद में बताऊंगी. क्लियर? नाउ माउथ प्रेजेंट ऑन द वेंट्रल सरफेस. माउथ प्रेजेंट ऑन द वेंट्रल सरफेस. दिख रहा है आपको डायग्राम से, इसीलिए मैंने डायग्राम से आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर कर दिया. ऑन द वेंट्रल सरफेस. ओके. नेक्स्ट, scales. Which type of scale present? All body is covered with scales. And which type of scale present? That is, the scales is placoid scale present. ये किसकी बात हो रही है? ये chondrichthyes की बात हो रही है. ओके. स्केल्स कैसा है? placoid scale. Placoid scales present. Okay. Next, 4 to 6 pair gill slits present. Operculum, and it is not covered with operculum. ये operculum से covered नहीं है. It is not covered with operculum. So operculum absent. Okay. Tail is heterocircle, means one lobe is large, upper lobe is large and lower lobe is small. So it is called heterocircle. Heterocircle. Tail heterocircle. And most important feature of cartilaginous fish is scroll valve or spiral valve present in intestine. Present in intestine. Okay. This is the most important features, बच्चों. This one is the most important features. Scroll valve and और spiral valve कहाँ present है? Intestine में. क्या करती है? What is the function of scroll valve? Absorb, increase the absorption area. Scales, placoid scales, gill slits, 4 to 6 pair, but without operculum absent, and mouth present on ventral surface. Okay, skeleton made up of cartilage. Clear? And one of the most important features is in male, claspers present. Claspers present, that's generated from pelvic fin of male. That modification of pelvic fin of male, okay, modification of pelvic fin. Fertilization, internal fertilization. Or BB-pair. So these are the main features of chondrichthyes. One important feature, jaws present. Second, mouth present on the ventral surface. Placoid scales present. Skeleton made up of cartilage, and 4 to 6 pair gill slits present, but that is not covered with operculum. Tail heterocircle and scroll valve. ये जरूर याद करना बच्चों, that is very important. Scroll valve or spiral valve present in intestine of cartilaginous fish or chondrichthyes, and in male claspers present, that is also main feature of cartilaginous fish. Claspers किसमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं? मेल में. इट इज copulatory organs and it is the modification of pelvic fin. Clear? Fertilization internal, BB-pairous. Now we will discuss about the chondrichthyes or bony fishes. It is a bony fish. The mouth is situated or present on the anterior terminal part. Anterior end part. Mouth present on the anterior end. And only 4 pair gills present. Only 4 pair gills present. 4 pair only. And gills present. And it is covered with operculum. ये दिख रहा है आपको? ये operculum से covered है. Tail homocircle. Skeleton made up of bony fishes है ना? ये कैसी फिश है? बोनी फिश यानी ऑस्टिकथीस. तो इस बोनी फिशेस का जो स्केलेटन है वो किससे बना हुआ है? बोन से. स्केलेटन किससे बना है? बोन से. ठीक. स्केल्स, इसमें भी लेटरल लाइन सिस्टम प्रेजेंट. इट इज द मेन फीचर ऑफ lateral line system present. It is the main sensory organs of species. Okay, species का which type of sensory organ present in species? तो lateral line system present that work as a sensory organs. Okay, lateral line system present. Okay, both in bony fishes and in cartilaginous fishes. Skeleton made up of bony. Clear? Scales, cycloid, ganoid and ctenoid. Okay, 4 pair gill slits present that covered with operculum. दिख रहा है आपको? यू कैन सी विद डायग्राम. ये operculum, it is covered with operculum. Clear? Next, homocircle tail present. Mouth present on the anterior end. Okay, या terminal end, anterior end or terminal end. Clear? Next, spiral valve absent, scroll valve absent, scroll or spiral valve absent. Next, claspers absent. Claspers absent. Fertilization external. So it is the main features of bony fishes. Okay. Now the comparison between what is the main difference between the bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. Okay. Next. Chondrichthyes. Osteichthyes. तो skeleton number 1 cartilage skeleton शॉर्ट में बता रही हूँ मैं, सब पढ़ा चुकी हूँ. I have already discussed you, and it is bony skeleton. It is made up of bones, bony bones skeleton. Next. Placoid scale present in cartilaginous fish. Thus, cycloid, ganoid, and ctenoid scale present. Ctenoid scale present. Okay. Next. Mouth on the ventral surface. राइटिंग ही बिगड़ जाती है. माउथ on the anterior terminal. Okay. Gills 4 to 6 pair without operculum. Okay. Without को ढंग से लगा दे. Without operculum. 4 pair gills with operculum. Sorry. Four pair gills with operculum. Okay. Clear? Next. Scroll valve present. अभी मैं बता चुकी हूँ कहाँ present. It is present on the intestine. Scroll valve or spiral valve present in intestine. Absent. Okay. Claspers present in male. Absent claspers. Absent claspers is the copulatory organs. That is the modification of pelvic fin. Fertilization internal. And in which fertilization external, external fertilizations. Okay, mostly oviparous, viviparous. Viviparous means offspring laying. Mostly viviparous. Oviparous, egg laying animal called oviparous. Okay, mostly oviparous or viviparous. Clear? In osteichthyes, air bladder present, air bladder absent in chondrichthyes. Absent or it is present in bonifaces. So वो क्या करते हैं, बायोन्सी बनाते हैं, डेट्स मेंटेन द बायोन्सी. बायोन्सी मीन्स ऐसे फ्लोट करते रहते हैं. Which one? Air bladder make the buoyancy, that's float the animal on the surface of water, and air bladder absent, so they comes on the surface, then come on the surface and goes down in the bottom of the surface water. Okay, so air bladder absent or air bladder present. In which in air that is the osteichthyes, and that is the main feature of chondrichthyes. Next we will discuss about the example. Torpedo, that is also called, you can see torpedo, it is also called electric ray. We can read in other example. Other page, that is the blank page. More cartilaginous fish, okay, or a bony fish. Example of chondrichthyes, torpedo. It is also called electric ray. And scales absent in torpedo. You can see it is a torpedo. Electric, it is also called electric ray. Why it is called electric ray? Because modified muscles are present and that generate electricity. Modified muscles are present in torpedo or electric ray and that generate electricity. Okay. Next example. Other example is Prestige. And next one is second, and the third example Scolidion. That is also called dogfish. Why it is called dogfish? Because smelling power of Scolidion just like dog, so it is also called dogfish. Next is Carcharodon. Next is Carcharodon. Carcharodon is also called white shark, largest white shark. Carcharodon, all shark are cartilaginous fish, white shark, Carcharodon. Okay, so these are the example of cartilaginous fishes. Next we discuss about the example of bony fishes. You can see seahorse. In male seahorse, brood pouch present, in which female kept their egg. Brood pouch only present in male. In male में present है. It is present in male brood pouch, and female keep their egg in the brood pouch. Okay. So next, so example of bony fishes. Example of bony fishes are seahorse. Next example, betta, B-E-T-T, betta, fighting fish. It is a aquarium fish. Sorry, fighting fish. Aquarium fish. It is also called aquarium fish. Fighting fish are Pterophyllum. Pterophyllum is also a aquarium fish. Aquarium fish. Okay, it is also aquarium fish, and Pterophyllum is also aquarium fish. Okay, next labio rohu. Labio rohu. Rohu. Okay, next Exocetus, that is also called flying fish. Flying fish, in which pectoral fin is modified for jumping or gliding. It is not totally flight, है ना? It jump or gliding. So the Exocetus is also called flying fish, and the pectoral fin is modified for gliding. Exocetus. It is the more important betta fighting seahorse, Cutla clarias, catfish. Clarias, catfish. Okay. So these are the example of bony fishes. Next, most important is we see, that is chimera. Chimera is the connecting link sorry अरे connect link between chimera the connecting link between cartilaginous fish and bony fish. The chimera is also called ghost fish or king of herring. Kings of herring. Clear? So these are the main feature of, because why it is comes into the osteichthyes, because operculum present. So it is the connecting, the main feature of osteichthyes is operculum, and operculum present. So it is the connecting link between the bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. Now we will revise it again. We will revise. Okay. Next. Okay. Now chondrichthyes. The skeleton is made up of cartilage. The skeleton made up of bones, placoid scales present. Okay, this is the main feature. Placoid scale present, cycloid and ganadotenoid scale present. Mouth present on ventral surface. Mouth present on the ventral surface in chondrichthyes, and mouth present on the anterior terminal is called osteichthyes. 4 to 6 pair gills but without operculum. 4 pair gills with operculum present. Scroll valve, that is the most important feature. Scroll valve or spiral valve present in chondrichthyes but absent in here. Okay, claspers is present in male. That is most important features. Okay, and it is absent in here. Fertilization, internal, external, mostly viviparous, oviparous. Air bladder absent, air bladder present in osteichthyes. Torpedo, example electric ray. Here it is, all species are cold blooded or poikilothermic. Okay, or ectothermal. Clear? 2 chamber heart present in fishes. वो बाकी species के general character I have already discussed it. Okay, thank you very much. हो गया ना, ये भी मिटा दूँ.